In 2023, Mobile rebuilt 70 of our award-winning themes for AI, and these themes are available in the Mobile platform for you to drag and drop, along with 5,000 more AI layouts. You simply search by theme, drop the AI layouts onto your canvas, and watch as our AI swaps in your colors, fonts, images, and even trues up the padding alignment so that all the themes and the 5,000 layouts work seamlessly together. There are layouts for everything from pages, menus, events, shop products and categories, right down for blocks for things like cards, lists, FAQs, accordions, and even AI chatbots. We'll cover all of these in the next 90 minutes when you design and build your own AI website and online store, including AI chatbots and AI voicebots to handle your inbound and outbound sales and customer service. But for now, simply choose the theme that's most right for you. You can click Built by You to get started, or you can click Web Design Themes to browse the design that's most right for you. And when you're ready, simply click Choose Theme. Now, my top tip to get off to the fastest possible start. If you want a website with a light background, then choose one of the lighter themes. If you want a theme with a full color or darker background, then choose one of the darker themes. This will get you off to the fastest possible start. And of course, you can swap and change and customize everything later as we go on now to build your AI website over the next 90 minutes. Now that you've picked your theme, we can add some images, and there are 70 image collections to play with, purposely created to let you find your website's desired look and feel. Now, you'll upload your own images after you've set up your $9 hosting, which also includes your storage for your images. Now, after you sign up, you'll upload all of your own images, and the bots will instantly swap them across your entire website for you. And of course, they'll instantly be optimized and compressed for Google and page load speeds. Now, you'll also be able to generate your own images with AI, with Mobile's AI Photo Assistant, which has two models, our default model and OpenAI's DALL-E 3. Now, our default model is still performing better than DALL-E 3, in my opinion, for those human-like portraits. But you can play with both. I find DALL-E 3 can be good for graphics and illustrations, and a default model is best for those beautiful, hyper-realistic photos. Okay, all this is to come shortly, but right now simply choose your free image collection, and then let's go on to set up your $9 hosting, storage, and AI tokens. Now we've got your website look and feel underway, we can go on and use AI to swap in your colors, fonts, images, effects, and so much more. But first, we need to lock in your $9 website hosting, storage, and AI tokens. Now remember, your website theme is free. The 5,000 drag and drop AI layouts are free. This 90-minute course is free, as well as Mobile's 5-day challenge, where you can learn to become a website designer to the standard where you can build any layout from scratch in moments, and also learn to become an AI manager to integrate your AI with other applications within your business. Now, you also get Mobile's AI assistants throughout the entire platform who are there to help you with your on-demand questions. So even if you don't do the course, you can skip ahead and use the AI. Now, there's also help videos against every feature on the Mobile platform. So just click the help icon and there's help there as you need it. So however you want to build your website, anyone can do it. Now, the $9 is more than enough hosting and storage to get you through the course, and it also includes AI tokens to set up your AI chatbots and your AI voice bots. And of course, it also includes Mobile's ongoing bug-free maintenance and all our future features and developments. Now, our pricing is based on the number of pages. All plans have all the features, so the $9 is all you need to complete the course and get the entire learning and your website. If you want more pages, you can just add them, and you won't be billed until next month's billing cycle, which is on the first day of every month. Now, if you're wondering how to lock in your Mobile franchise agency for that half price for life, $99, you can do this on the next screen. The offer includes the $199 Elite plan, which has unlimited pages, and in that you get your AI agency and all the tools so that you can sell websites. And of course, you keep 100% of everything that you sell to your clients, plus you get 40% of your client's platform fee for their hosting and maintenance, which is paid to you every month for the lifetime of the client. There is no better way to build a passive income than with an AI agency business, whether it's a full-time career or as a side hustle. AI is here to stay. Every business in the world right now needs an AI website with chatbots and AI voicebots to handle the outbound and inbound sales and customer service. Okay, so lock in your half price for life AI agency on the next screen. It will be $199 a month, but right now it's just $99 and you're going to lock in that price for life. And of course, if you don't want a mobile franchise agency, that's cool. You can just continue with the $9 payment as we go on now to build your new AI website over the next 90 minutes.